Hey everyone, it's Rocky. It's Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. It's about 7:18 in the morning. A lot more volume than my other videos since I'm doing it during the day. So the same setup for the left and right, but before going into that detail, I'm just going to enter with 3 contracts. And I am going to short. Let me just do that and just place one right there. And there you go. I wanted to do that because I just wanted to, place my position now and explain why I did that. So essentially, let me go through. What just happened there? Okay, all right. So pay attention to the PL open. It does move a lot quicker in the morning, and then our goal here is at least $50. That's something I've been aiming for. And I'll go through my explanation, and then if somehow it gets to a point where I should close out, I'll just do it and then explain afterwards, since it is a fast moving target here. I'm just gonna prepare what I normally do. So I usually put an OCO after 16 ticks, and right now we're up about $20. 3 contracts back and forth, that's about $15 sunk cost. So as long as my PL open is above 15, then I'm gonna make some profit. I like to double that, so at least I double what I pay on the sunk cost. So at least $30, and I try to put an OCO. Anyway, on the left side is our time chart. So 5-minute candles for each width here, and on the right side is a tick chart. So 512 ticks for each candle. What that means is 512 trades on the right occurs when a candle is forming here. The reason that I shorted on this candle, on the 7:15 candle, is because of bearish movement on the candle. And then the other reason is, if you look down here on the MACD, it's diverging away, from the other line. It's below 0, and you can see that a couple of times. One at 6:45, and then we're again at 7. It tried to cross above it, but it was unsuccessful. So I see that as a lot of price rejection from the top, and that's why I shorted. And then for the stochastic RSI, it's also trending down. So basically it came from the oversold area and hopefully heading towards down to the overbought area, and that's the main reason why I shorted it. So hopefully we come out with a positive amount here. I will, same with my other videos, I'll keep this going so you can see live what's going on, and when it's time to go, then that's when I'll put the OCO or close the order. Also, I like to put an alert, so I like to zoom out a bit and sort of see what's going on. So you can see the purple line from last night. That's when I closed out a trade around 9:20 p.m. when I shorted. But basically I like to zoom out so I can see where I should put an alert of when I want to exit. So I'm seeing this area might be a good area to exit, so I will create that alert right now. Anything below that, then it'll give me a chance to take a look at it. And also I will do the usual vertical line that I draw to represent when I made the trade itself, so I can look back later and improve. And also the horizontal line. We're very visual people, so it's nice to see all of these going on for my average. So again, hopefully the MACD keeps diverging here, so it goes below. And actually we'll do another alert here, just the bottom of the body from the previous candles right there, and we'll be right back. Hey everyone, it's 7:31 a.m. It's been about 13 minutes on the trade. A bit of a drawdown here. It almost looks like it's a bad entry on my part. Something I forgot to look at is, normally I try to look on how on the upper left here, how the micro features is doing for the day, and normally I go with the trend of the day. So it's up about 100 points. So when I entered, it was what was that? It was up about 50 points. So I should have paid attention to that. It's a rookie mistake that I still do. Up till now, I should have paid attention to that before making that short. A little concerning here with the MACD now crossing over finally after 1, 2, 3 attempts. So there's a chance this might shoot up and it might run away from us. So I'll give this a few more minutes and see how it reacts, but we might be taking a loss on this trade. Anyway, I'll be back. It's about 7:33, almost 15 minutes into the trade. Hey everyone, it's about 8:45. We've been on this trade for about an hour and 27 minutes. We're getting close to our break-even line. Again, not the best entry for this. I should have exited right away when I entered right at 7:15, but you know, that happens. One of my my faults for not paying too close attention to it. I just wanted to point out that the MACD did cross over back here at around 8:35. So now it's a bearish direction, and hopefully it continues. But this green candle on the 8:45 candle is a bit worrisome, but we'll see how it goes. So we'll keep watching this, and hopefully we get out in a profit here. Again, it's about 8:46 into the trade for about an hour and 28 minutes. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, you probably just heard that alert, which, you know, it's when I wanted to place my OCO. It's not much of a profit here, $28 gross profit, subtract the $15 sunk cost, but it's been a chop. Hey everyone, you probably just heard my alert there. I'm now going to place my OCO. It's been a choppy market, not much of a profit, but hey, it's hitting the target that I needed. Survived that bit of a drawdown there, so I just want you to watch what I normally do when I exit and try to get the emotions out of it. So I am placing the OCO, so the stop order here and the limit order here, and this is something I usually adjust as it keeps going down just to lock in more profits there. You want to give it some room so you're not just stopped out, but even if I'm stopped out, you know, I'm guaranteeing that I locked in some profits. So PL open is 36. You subtract about $15 on the sunk cost there because there were 3 contracts. It's about 9:19. We've been on the trade for almost 2 hours now. Again, bad entry. Had good intentions. It just took some time waiting for it. When it crossed over at 8:35, I had more hope on what is to come. Probably gonna get stopped out here pretty soon, but one rule that I have is once I place the stop, I don't adjust it back. I just either bring it down. Since I'm shorting, I would bring it down to lock in more profits, but never bring it back to give back profits. There you go. That was probably about $15 or so net profit. I know it doesn't seem like it's worth it, but I survived this crazy drawdown here. It just goes to show I have a lot more to learn, and definitely this is something I'm gonna have to learn from. And also it goes to show that, you know, all the indicators are just that, indicators. especially MACD and stochastic RSI, they're leading indicators. No one can really predict the future. It just gives you a better probability of a trade being successful or not. Anyway, I will be posting this video. Hopefully you learned something. Again, this is just for entertainment purposes. My goal here is really to improve my trading. At the same time, it's my way of improving my skills using DaVinci on editing videos, and also just to learn from the community should you have any suggestions. I'm just gonna draw that vertical line here and gonna change that to purple to indicate that I did short it, and then that way, you know, I can go back and check and see, alright, why did I enter this and why I shouldn't have entered it and stuff like that. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. See you again in the next video. Thank you.